Are you going to let Mr. Lewis represent you, or are you going to hire someone?
Objection, Your Honor. Respectfully, is this a court of record?
It is a court of record. You're running out, aren't you?
No, it's fine.
So here's the thing, Ms. Pugh. Ms. Pugh, don't speak over me. Just because you say respectfully does not mean that you get to interrupt me. That's disrespectful.
She claimed her family had hired a private attorney, but the court found no record of any such lawyer officially appearing. She repeatedly challenged the court's authority, argued conflicts of interest. After multiple interruptions, the judge overruled her objections.
Good morning. Are you Janetta Pugh?
I am the beneficiary of that estate.
You're the what?
I am the beneficiary of that estate.
You're the beneficiary of what estate?
Judge, it's my understanding that Ms. Pugh and her family has retained an attorney on this matter. I don't know if you remember, Judge, this is when I was originally appointed on, and we were on the trial docket. Mr. Norwood, who was on the case for a while, and then withdrew once. Recently, when the case came back to me, I visited with her, and I was told that they did retain another attorney. At this point, still hasn't filed anything with the pool.
Okay.
But I've been told that that's who's supposed to be taking over the case.
Ms. Pugh, Mr. Lewis has been appointed to represent you at this point. Obviously, you know as well as anyone that you're in custody and we want to get your case taken care of. If you've hired or your family has hired another lawyer, then they have to contact the court so that we can do something with your case.
Respectfully, Your Honor, I do not agree with your appointed foreign agents, considering that the first duty is to the state and will be considered conflict of interest. You know?
So if you don't want a court-appointed attorney, then your only option, two things. One is to represent yourself or to hire a lawyer. So if you don't like the way it works, then you do something different. So listen to what I'm saying. Are you either going to represent yourself, or are you going to let Mr. Lewis represent you, or are you going to hire someone?
Where is the verified claim that is being placed against my trust?
It's right here. It's called an indictment. And Mr. Lewis has a copy of it, and he can show it to you. So that would be the verified claim against you. I've received your petition for writ of habeas corpus, and it's denied.
Okay. I demand to be released due to lack of evidence of stated claim and not being given the proper opportunity to obtain proper counsel, defective defense.
It's overruled. Everything you have there is overruled. And here's one of the reasons why, is because you have a lawyer. So I'm going to leave Mr. Lewis as your attorney unless you choose to represent yourself or hire someone else. I'm going to give you 2 weeks to determine what you're going to do. You can go back with the bailiff. You already said that, and that's overruled.